show you how to play tricks and tips.
Hello, I'm Handy Manong, and meet my little friend,
Handy kid.
Handy Kid. Handy Manong and Handy Kid.
Yay.
Hello.
Yay.
We're gonna tell you
I have no
some.
hair.
I hope I'm not here also. I'm gonna tell you some tips and tricks, right?
Yep.
Wait. Go.
The solar panel is meant to produce light. And that thing over there is a solar panel. And the sun makes energy for the solar panel.
How did you know?
So every day the sun charges the solar panel.
Yep. You can start small with this small setup of solar panel,
Then you can start charging.
because the
Setting
off-grid
up
of
bigger one.
1 kilowatt solar panel will cost around 50,000 pesos. Maybe this one around 2,000 pesos only, and can help light up your garage,
I'm gonna get something.
and you can save electricity. So simple as this scan. And you also have another small setup solar panel just to light up the garage. Right? Tip to have a solar panel, no need to be expensive. Start small. Subscribe to our channel. Hello. And at the back of our house, we also have this same solar panel setup that's hooked up there in the roof to charge this. And at least in the backyard, we also have light, free light. Save electricity. So the front and back is always light up. Hello. This is how you control the solar panels. But you can just set it to auto. So every night it will automatically turn on and off. This is how the solar panel looks like at night time. This is how bright it is at the back. This is how the solar light is, how bright it is at nighttime.